I've just realised now, as I'm going to start editing, that I forgot to record an intro, but like, hi, we're cleaning my room today, so you can kind of see me. We're cleaning my room today. Watch it. First, my bed. I do a lot of serious sleeping here and watching movies. I never really grew out of the quarantine phase of putting random stuff on your wall, like the tapestry on my roof, but I think it looks pretty cool. This is just like a little side table area where I keep my hats and a bunch of other stuff that I need to find in the mornings. So I have like a couple Thrasher magazines, I keep my skate tool there, and I got some cool photos of Denji and Makima. Most of the stuff I keep on here is just stuff I really don't have anywhere else to put, but like I have my medication, some deodorant, and I got the little skeleton guy. His name's Bob. He wears my beanies. He's pretty cool. I didn't realize till after recording that you couldn't actually see me moving the hats around, but it was like really annoying because half of them have the little clippy bits and the other one, like one of them doesn't. So I was like very happy that they actually stayed up. So this wall has a lot of stuff I really like on it, like my 3 albums, MF Doom, Tyler, the Creator, and the new Kendrick album. But I also have a little thing full of rocks that I burn incense over. I know, white girl type shit. I got my my old PC, whoa, I had about 3 or 4 years-ish. I kind of grew out of it, it got old, couldn't run things. I want to eventually hook it up to my TV so I can watch movies from there. This is where I like put my shoes. I'm not a sneakerhead at all. I just find random shoes and I put them here. I found these really old Heelys for like 50 cents at a thrift shop, so I was like, I'll get them. Never worn them, just think they look cool. And then I got my BTS Skechers shoes. I don't even listen to BTS. I thought they looked cool. And then I got my Vans and my volleyball shoes. I got my boxes for my PC parts, and then the upside down Xbox 360, but we don't talk about that though. I'll flip that in a second. I really didn't have much to clean up here, so I was just moving little things around, like putting shoelaces back in the other shoe and fixing the stuff behind the wooden shelf. I did a little spin though. This is like my desk. At the moment, it's messy. I haven't cleaned it yet. That's what we're doing next. But like, I got this. My mum gave it to me. I got the Google Home because we don't fuck with Apple. Shit don't work though. Sometimes. We don't talk about the headphones. The headphones I
Side eye. Side eye.
had them for like ages. Like too long, like 4 years-ish. That lasts me pretty well. Their cable's like super long as well, which is really nice. And then I got like my shit for a book. Yeah. And then I got, this is just where I hide stuff, and then a box for the motherboard inside the PC. Alright, for my desk, I didn't really have to do much, everything was already pretty done. I just straightened up some stuff, put my notes away, and put my books away. I put the photo there because I have nowhere else to put it at the moment. Now onto my hardware. I'm using a SteelSeries Apex 3. I got told to get SteelSeries because they were good. I didn't know anything about keyboards. I only found out it was membrane like a week ago or something like that. But yeah. It's really nice though. I have this like little scroll wheel button thingy. It controls like the volume is pretty wicked. You can press it down too and it will like pause music. There's also like a separate button to skip songs and stuff like that. It's a good keyboard, don't get me wrong. The mouse though, oh, it's just a Gorilla Gaming one. It came with my old PC. I have no idea. Excuse my messy looking mouse pad. My camera just picks up every little bit of dust on it. It's really annoying. I swear it's not this dirty. I have Xbox One controller. It looks disgusting because I haven't used it in ages. And I have a cat. But yeah, I use this for when I play like Forza or controller games. Now onto my mic. I use an AT2020 USB Plus. I've had it for ages, it's really nice. I wish I got the XLR one, but I'm fine with it. The boom arm's just a random one from AliExpress. It's done me well though. Now onto my monitors. I have an LG Ultra Gear 144Hz as my main monitor. I only got it like a couple months ago. It's really nice upgrade. I think it's like 24 inch maybe? I don't know, I can't really remember. This Acer one was my main monitor for like ages. It's like 60 Hz. I think that one's 20 inch. Wait no, the Acer one's 24 inch and then the Ultra Gear is the 27 inch, my bad. But it's a really nice upgrade and I have my little axolotl friend watching over me. He stares into my soul. And then my speakers are just some Logitech one that I found at a secondhand store. So now that I like cleaned here, and that's like nice as it's gonna get, but like it's clean until you look under, right? And it's this. It's so bad, but I honestly, at the moment, don't really know how to like deal with half of it. So I have like the Corsair strap thingies. I got like 2 of them combined. This one might be easier. Yeah, I got like 2 of them on it to fit around the pole to hold it like that, and then I just have a little thing, but it keeps falling, so I need to get like another one for there, I think. And then I added like LED lights under here, because I was like, yo, that'd be kind of cool. I have a spare one, so that's where I just put that. And then, yeah, I don't know how to fix this up as like better than I already have, so it's like this until I get a box or the net thingy. Practically nothing changes in this time lapse. I don't know why I recorded it, but yeah. I figured out I had time lapse on my phone and I got excited. Now, you might be thinking at this point, hey, hold up, CK, why haven't you shown us this PC we've seen like throughout your video? That's because I am. So this PC I built around the end of 2022. I think around New Year's-ish. I've got a 3060 Vision in there. It's pretty cool. My RAM is Corsair Vengeance. I got 16 gigs of it, so I'm chilling at the moment. My AIO is an EK. I was gonna get a 3-fan, settled on a 2-fan because I was impatient. I plan on changing to a Leolin one because my fan's a Leolin, and I think it would look really nice to just have one brand in there. My CPU is an AMD Ryzen 7 5800X. I don't know if that matters, but yeah. My motherboard is a B550 by Asus. It's really nice. Both my case and my PSU are made by Corsair. I gotta love these cases. I think they look really pretty. I mainly went for aesthetics on this build, clearly. I got like 1 terabyte of space, and I got the little guy protecting my case. So yeah, this has been my room tour. Thank you so much for watching. If you made it this far through, I appreciate it. Like, honestly, if you did, you should, like, subscribe 100% and turn on the bell notification. If you have any, like, ideas, tips, or anything that I could improve my setup with, please leave it in the comments. I really do appreciate it. But anyways, bye-bye.